Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by identifying exactly what you have, because precision avoids mismatches. Open Device Manager or Nvidia Control Panel and read the model name and current driver version. Once done, verify your Windows edition and bitness, Windows 10 or 11, 64-bit, so you pick the right file. Make a quick backup of critical files. Changing drivers can affect settings. Then use that model and OS info to download the latest driver package from Nvidia. Do not assume auto detection yet. You now run the installer with elevated rights because permission issues stop installs. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Allow extraction, then select Custom Install. Choose the Clean Install checkbox. It removes old driver remnants that cause conflicts and gives you a fresh slate. Proceed through the prompts. The installer will copy files, install the driver, and optionally reinstall GeForce Experience. Make sure to reboot when prompted, because many driver components load only at startup. And then check device. Finish by verifying the installed version in the Nvidia Control Panel and cross-checking Windows Update so you confirm success. If the system shows graphical glitches or driver errors, boot to safe mode and run Display Driver Uninstaller to remove all traces, then reinstall the driver cleanly. This solves most stubborn conflicts. Make sure to document the steps you took and keep the installer file handy for a rollback. One key tip: if something goes wrong, the in safe mode is your safest recovery path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.